Want to unlock massive strength and a sculpted body? Do you think deadlifts are just another gym move? I say, think again. The deadlift is the ultimate full body power move, but only if you do it right. Deadlifts are the king of compound lifts, working nearly every muscle in your body. From your glutes and hamstrings to your traps and core, they build functional strength, boost muscle mass, and even improve posture. The exercise creates significant mechanical tension, stimulating muscle growth and strength, while triggering the release of anabolic hormones like testosterone and growth hormone for recovery and fat loss. The best thing? Deadlifts mimic real-life movements like lifting heavy objects, improving overall strength and athletic performance, making you stronger both in the gym and in everyday life. Did you know deadlifts can even help prevent lower back pain when done correctly? Let's perfect your deadlift game. To perform them correctly, start by approaching the barbell with your feet hip-width apart and the barbell positioned over the middle of your feet. Ensure your toes point slightly outward for balance. Bend at your hips and knees, keeping your back straight, and grip the barbell with a shoulder-width grip, either overhand or mixed, depending on preference. Align your shoulders directly over the bar and let your shins lightly touch the bar. Before lifting, brace your core by engaging your abdominal muscles as if preparing to take a punch. For the lift, drive through your heels, extending your hips and knees simultaneously. Keep the barbell close to your body, dragging it along your shins and thighs to maintain control. Ensure your back remains neutral throughout the movement by keeping your chest up and shoulders back. Once you're fully upright, lock out at the top by squeezing your glutes and slightly pulling your shoulders back. When lowering the barbell, initiate the movement by hinging at your hips. Push your hips back first, then bend your knees once the barbell passes them. Lower the bar in a controlled manner, letting it slide down your thighs until it reaches the floor. Reset your position to maintain proper form before starting the next repetition. To maximize your gains, warm up thoroughly with mobility exercises for your hips and lower back. Begin with lighter weights to perfect your form before moving to heavier loads. Could your grip strength be the weak link holding you back from your full potential? If grip strength becomes a limiting factor, consider using chalk or lifting straps for heavy sets. Focus on core engagement to stabilize your spine and prevent injury, and perform each movement with control, avoiding rushed or jerky motions. Common mistakes to watch for include rounding your back, which increases the risk of injury and allowing the bar to drift too far from your body. This creates unnecessary strain on your lower back. Always keep the bar close and engage your muscles smoothly rather than yanking the bar. By prioritizing form over weight and avoiding these errors, deadlifts can become a cornerstone exercise for building strength, improving posture, and enhancing athletic performance. Deadlifts aren't just about building muscle. They're about mastering strength and functional movement. Perfect your technique, avoid common mistakes, and gradually push your limits. Once you unlock the full potential of deadlifts, you'll feel unstoppable, both inside and outside the gym. Will you step up to the bar and embrace the king of all lifts? Let me know how deadlifts have transformed your training. Now go and hit the floor. See you next time. Keep watching MedGrow and take care of yourself.